Well, Dick Dinger here. Got a new compressor because my old compressor sucked. And the line between the regulator and the tank kept blowing because it's so freaking hot down here that the plastic tube would get hot and soft. So I went to the Harbor Freight. Got me a new compressor. Got the McGraw. It had some kind of sale going on it. It looks good. Now I gotta put the dryer and that kind of stuff on it, so we're gonna be working on that today. And then finish up the painting, because man, I need to finish this painting so I can put everything back together. That's what we got going on today. Now let me tell you, it is hot in Texas right now, okay? Hot. Let's get this all set up. I gotta scavenge every part on this thing so I can get all these extensions, everything. Well, that is not what I was wanting to happen. Alright. Got there. This here. So this will be a good part to keep. I'll put this nice little ball valve in the parts bin. Keep that for later. I'm sure I'll find some use for it at some time. Alright, well, first things first. Let me get this thing out. I can already see one. Well, good. It's all the same size. That's good to hear. I was thinking I was going to have to go to Home Depot, get some stuff. And I tell you what, I do like going to the Home Depot and getting stuff. Guess we ought to go clean that up. Yeah, well, that's not bad. Get that old man thumbnail on it. My father-in-law used to be able to screw freaking screws in with his thumbnails. It's crazy. I'm most likely doing this wrong, but you know what? It works. Let's see here. Yeah, see? Look at that. That's no bueno right there. What am I going to do? Well, you know, sometimes I'm just too smart for my own goodness. Let's put this back together. Alright, nice and tight. Put some more stuff on there. Yeah, I always clean up my connections on the wire wheel on the grinder. Alright. Look at that. What am I going to do there? Chain gouger, man. Man, I can't win for losing. It's supposed to be gauge there, but you know what? Okay. Fine. Oh, I guess I got the flow wrong. That ought to work. Yeah, I could put it like this, right? Yeah. That sounds like good sauce. How's that? Alright. No reason to do this, but other than I need to clog that hole. I don't have a plug. So I'll just use a gauge. Why not, right? Well, I'm messing up already. We'll see why here in a second. Gotta clean that up. Go ahead and put a little flickum on it. Because it messed up. There we go. So I need a there we go. That'll work. That's how it always works out for me, y'all. See, there you go, drop the tool. pretty good. That's all nice and tight. There we go. So got that. So regulator. Ooh. I don't know about you, but I just love peeling these songs off. There you go. So you got that, temperature, dryer, regulator for the paint. Should be it. Let's go wheel it over.